tell you what their jobs are. Let's go and have a quick visit with them first. This is Skinny. He's one of my tallest friends. Buongiorno, a big cat. He's part of the crane family. There are 5 of them working here at the construction site. These cranes are mobile. That means they can move from place to place, doing lots of different jobs. And there's Trez. She's not the biggest bulldozer you'll ever see, but she sure is busy.
How you doing, big cat?
I'm doing great. There's Charlie. He brings all the concrete to the site.
Hey, big cat. Nice to see ya. Looks like a busy place around here today.
And there's Mallory. She's a forklift. She's a big help when we have to move things around the site.
Nice to see you, big cat.
How's everything going, Mallory?
Oh, just great. I'm working with Lurch this morning and helping him get these materials to their proper place.
And last but not least, there's George the dump truck. He delivers all the sand to the site. Well, kids, now that you've met most of my friends, why don't you watch me do my work? With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, I'm singing my digging song. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, and it won't take very long. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, we'll build up to the sky. With a dig, dig, diggy, and a dig, dig, do, a building that's really high. By using this measuring stick, we can tell if the hole is deep enough. Whoops! Looks like we need to dig a little more. This hospital is an interesting project. That's my operator, Max.
Operator Max.
Instead of digging one great big hole, I'm digging lots of smaller holes for concrete support pads. It's important that each hole is just right, because these pads will support the building once it is built and keep it standing straight. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, I'm singing my digging song. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, and it won't take very long. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, we'll build up to the sky. With a dig, dig, diggy, and a dig, dig, do, a building that's really high.
Operator Max.
With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, I'm singing my digging song. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, and it won't take very long. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, we'll build up to the sky. With a dig, dig, diggy, and dig, dig, do, a building that's really high. While I work on digging more holes, you kids can take a tour of the whole site. I see Lurch unloading a big truck.
Hey, kids. Come on over and visit me. On big sites like this one, trucks are delivering materials all day long. And it's my job to get the materials off the truck and deliver them to where they're going to be used. strong arm. That makes it easy for me to pick up all kinds of stuff. Watch me move these beams. No sweat. I see my sister's moving some pretty neat things around. Let's go take a look.
Hi, kids. I'm Boomer. Today, I'm helping to build the walls. These shapes you see aren't really the walls. They're molds. Once they're in place, concrete is poured into these molds, and they make the shape of the walls. Watch this. Here's a big piece. Once I get it close, the workers help me put it in just the right place. On the other side of the site, they're already starting to pour concrete into some of the molds. Come on, let's watch.
Hi, kids! You're just in time. I'm a skinny. Look at this. One wall, she's a coming up. You see those steel rods? They make the wall so strong. Time for more concrete. I gotta swing the bucket over to the truck for another load. You know, loading, she never really takes long. Before you know it, my bucket is filled to the brim. Ah, Belle, it looks like that you just about do it. Here we go. On a building like this, it takes thousands of loads to get the job done. But no matter how busy I get, I must always remember to work safely. Well, there's another wall done. This is my operator, Steve. We work so great together. We got a lot more to do here, so why don't you go back and visit Lurch?
Well, kids, as you can see, we cranes play a really important role here at the construction site. buying supplies, lifting forms, or pouring concrete. It's us that makes everything happen. But we big machines don't work alone, you know. There are lots of workers who help us get the job done. Now it's beginning to look like a building. Let's go inside and watch them pour the floor.
Hello, I'm Putt-Putt. I might look small, but I sure can carry a heavy load. Fill her up. Floors are made of concrete as well. I'm valuable around the site because I can take the concrete to places the big machines can't go. Watch me steer around these pillars. No sweat. Today, we're finishing up the ground floor. All we have left is this small corner. That beeping sound you hear is from the measuring stick. The workers use it to measure the depth of the concrete. If it's not the same, the floor wouldn't be even. Perfect! Before the concrete gets too hard, the workers smooth it out, so it's nice to walk on. Nice work.
Well, kids, my friends and I have given you a good look at what a building looks like at the beginning. Now we're going to send you downtown so you can see what a building looks like when it's almost finished. Hi, kids. I'm Skybugger. I built the skyscrapers. I've been working on this building for 2 years. By now, I've reached the 30th floor. When you get up this high, the air is clear and the view is great. And more importantly, I get a chance to admire all the buildings I've been lucky enough to work on before this one. You see that glass skyscraper? Well, that was my last job. I'm proud of the work I do. When you do a job this big, you need more than one crane. This is my partner, Carmen. We share the work. He works on one side of the building while I work on the next job is to lift some cement blocks. All of the supplies get delivered on the ground, and I'm the one who brings them to the top. Here they come. That's Sebastian, my operator. He's concentrating very, very hard. These blocks are going to the floor below, where they will be made into walls. While I finish up here, why don't you see what Carmen's up to?
Today, my job is to lift the walls of the skyscraper into position. One of the workers on the ground carefully attaches the wall to my hook. Once everything is attached, he radios my crane operator and tells him that everything is ready. I'm all set, so here we go. My operator can't see over the edge of the building, so he talks on the walkie-talkie to the
Walkie-talkie.
to make sure that everything is okay. Once it gets to the top, it gets moved into position. Nice and easy now.
So this is Tyler McCully, Wide World of Cartoons and Mighty Machine Construction. Hope you enjoyed the video. So you get a comment section below the video. Give YouTube a like. I got a sore throat, so
That's when the welder comes and attaches it permanently.
you're doing some welding. My name's Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good one.